Want to learn Python for data science on Coursera, but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step path so you can go from beginner to job-ready data skills. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to follow a full learning path, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple courses under one plan and move from beginner to advanced without paying for each course separately. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's break this down step by step. Step 1 is learning Python basics. The best starting point is Python for Data Science, AI, and Development by IBM. This course has over 40,000 reviews and a rating of around 4.6 out of 5. It teaches Python fundamentals along with tools like NumPy and Pandas, which are essential for data work. This builds your foundation. Step 2 is learning data analysis. Once you know the basics, you can move to courses like Introduction to Data Science in Python or Data Analysis with Python. These courses teach you how to clean data, analyze data sets, and find insights using real tools. This is where you start doing actual data work. Step 3 is advancing your skills. Now you can move into more advanced programs like Applied Data Science with Python or full professional certificates like the IBM Data Science program. These cover topics like machine learning, data visualization, and real-world projects. This is where you become job-ready. Now here's the key strategy. Don't treat these as separate courses. Think of them as a path. Start with Python basics, move into data analysis, and then advance into full data science programs. That's how you build real skills. And this is exactly where Coursera Plus becomes very valuable. You can follow this entire path, switch between courses, and build a complete skill set without paying for each course separately. But let's keep it real. Courses alone are not enough. You need to practice, work on projects, and apply what you learn. So what is the best Coursera Python data science path? Start with Python fundamentals, move into data analysis, and then advance into full data science programs. That's the most efficient way to learn. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.